look at this. This is so cool. I love it. It's about 100 degrees today, by the way, so this feels really, really good. Autumn. Across this little bridge, so cute. This is a nature fantasy. I love it. There's where I just walked under. Pretty cool. Comes all the way up from the mountains. I'm living for this. Look at the rainbow. Woo! I'm about halfway there now, a little bit more, heading up more steps. I'm still alive, everyone. I made it to the frowning cliff. I guess this is where everyone just frowns, but I'm smiling because it's a beautiful day. Yes, no frowns here. Turn that frown upside down.